How do you use Hazudesu in Japanese language? The Hazudesu they will use when. The Hazu that when we create a sentence that by using the Hazu, this sentence pattern is used when a speaker is decisively stating a conclusion that he or she has reached based on particular grounds. So what is the meaning? That means we will use the Hazudesu to when we have something based on the information that you're speaking. For example, when you come to meet your friends, that before you come to meet your friend, of course, you will call to your friend, and your friend you tell you that please come on that time. So you go that. So when you go that in that time, you think that means you have the basic information about the where to meet and when, right? So in the situation like this, you can use Hazu to explain that, and to explain that your friend is at home and waiting for you, or is the place he or she is the place that you meet each other in that place on that time. So when somebody asks you about are you sure he will come or he is there, that you tell them that by using the Hazudesu, you are sure because you already talk or you already call your friends that he or she will come on that time in that place. So you can use Hazu. But Hazu is mean that you have some confidence. You are not sure 100%, but you have some information, and maybe about 60% about that, because maybe if the situation that happened, maybe your friends will do not come too because of the traffic jam, or he will be late or something like this, or maybe he have a hurry accident or something like this. So the case like this, we can use Hazu to explain about the situation. And here we have some example like this. For example, the example they will say, ミラさんは今日来るでしょうか? ミラさんは今日来るでしょうか? which means, will Mr. Miller come today? I wonder. So this in the example that you and your some another body talking about Mr. Miller-san, that Mr. Miller will come or not. And case like you can say, 来るはずですよ。昨日電話ありましたから。来るはずですよ。昨日電話ありましたから。which means he's born to come. He called me yesterday. So in this sentence, you say that he called yesterday is the basic of the speaker's conclusion that Mr. Miller will come today, and the speaker can use Hazudesu to convey the certainty he or she feels about the correctness of that conclusion. That means you expect that because you and Mila-san already talked together, that Mila-san will come. So you can say 来るはずです. That means you expect, right? You expect that he will come because you and Mila-san already talked together yesterday by phone or anything else. So in the case like this, you can use 来るはずです. So So before kuru, before hazu, you can use with anything. For example, you can use in the dictionary form kuru, right? But we don't use with the mass form. You use with the dictionary form kuru hazu, iku hazu, and you can use with the nai form. For example, ikanai hazu, konai hazu, something like this. If you think that Mina will not come, then you already talk or you already have some information, so you can say konai hazu desu yo, kino den wa arimashita kara. You can say like this. And you can use with the additional EHT and negative. For example, tarashii hazu, right? Tarashii hazu desu. Kotai wa tarashii hazu desu. Or you can use kantan na hazu, right? But when you use the noun, you can put no between the hazu. So this is about how to use hazu with the noun, the adjective, and the verb. The verb you can use with only the nai form and dictionary form. Let's see another example. In this example, we also have the example like this. これは N4 の問題ですから難しくないはずです。これは N4 の問題ですから難しくないはずです。Which means this is an N4 problem, so it shouldn't be difficult. This is an N4 problem, so it shouldn't be difficult. You can see that they have some reason that they think that might cause the second part of the sentence to be happen. The first part is the N4 の問題. N4 の問題 is the problem, the Japanese language problem in level 4. Right, level 4 is easy. The easy one is level 5, and the level 4 is a little bit difficult, and 3, 2, 1. 1 is the number 1 difficult. So when level 4, that means it's not too difficult, just a little bit. So they have the reason like this, and they can say はず、難しくないはずです。Right. So 難しくない is mean not difficult. You said 難しい is difficult. But you say 難しくないはずです is mean 難しくない is mean not difficult. はずです is mean you expect or you think that it's not difficult because you have the information that is N4 問題. Here we also have another example. 彼は出張中だから今日の会議は欠席するはずです。彼は出張中だから今日の会議は欠席するはずです。He is on a business trip, so he should be absent from today's meeting. He is on a business trip, so he should be absent from today's meeting. Here you will see that they say 欠席するはずです。欠席 is mean absent. 欠席 that means you don't join the meeting. 欠席. And after 欠席 they say する, right? する is mean dictionary form. 欠席する is mean and absent. Absent is mean is from the simple tense in the dictionary form, and after you follow by Hazudesu, which means that you have some information, and your information in here they write the above of the second part of the sentence, which means 出張中だから、出張中 is mean on the business trip. That means he's still on the business trip. That so and today we have a meeting. So you think that he will not he can come to join. So in the situation like this, you can say Hazudesu. Because you are not sure 100%. Maybe why you not sure 100%? Maybe you think that he went to the business trip, but sometimes he come quickly and he can come to join the meeting. So you're not sure 100%, but you think that more than 50% that he will not come to join the meeting. So you can say 欠席するはずです。So this is about how to use はずです。